So hello everyone, we are having this question with ourselves. So what the question is saying is that the distance between the directrices of ellipse x square upon 36 plus y square upon 20 is equal to 1. So what it is asking is that if this is basically what would be the distance between the directrices if I am having this ellipse equation with myself. So what we know is that the directress is actually present over here like this, and over here the directress is also present like this over here. Now we are having the focus which is present at AE comma 0, and this is also present at minus AE comma 0. The directress is present at minus AE comma 0, and this is present at AE comma 0. Okay, now what it is asking that what would be the distance between both of them. So the distance between directrix is basically given as that is basically given as, that means ki the distance between both of them is basically given as to be a 2 times of a upon e, because here the coordinate is a upon e and here also this is a upon e. So what actually is we are going to get is basically distance between the directrixes 2a upon e. Okay, now we are having this, but we are having the standard equation with ourselves. So a standard equation is basically with ourselves is that x square upon 36 plus y square upon 20. If we compare this, so now comparing this with the standard equation of the ellipse, which is given as to be x square upon a square plus y square upon b square. So from here what we are getting is that a square is equal to 36 and the b square is coming out to be 20. Okay, so this is very basically the thing what we are getting over here. So now what we need to get is basically this a and this e we really want to get. So we are having a relation between the a major axis, minor axis and the eccentricity, which is basically given as like b square is equal to a square 1 minus e square. This is basically the relation between three of them. So b square is basically 20 over here, so let's write over here a square is basically 36 and then 1 minus e square over here. Okay, so what we are going to get is 20 is equal to 36 minus of 36 e square. So 36 e square is going out to be 36 minus of 20. So what we are getting is that 36 e square is equal to 6 and 1 over here. So e is basically coming out to be 4 upon 6, which is basically 2 upon 3. Okay, so this is basically the value of e, but what we want the distance between the directrix. So the distance basically given as to be like 2 times of a upon e. Okay, so we are having this, we are having the value of a, we are having the value of e. Now let's put it over here. 2 into a, what is the value of a is basically 6 and the value of e is basically 2 divided by 3, that means c 3 by 2. Now what we are going to get is basically 18 over here. Okay, so this is basically the distance between the two directrices is coming out to be 18. So now let's match the option, that from which option it is matching. So this is basically matching through option C. So C would be our correct answer. So thanks you all for watching this video. This was all for this question.